Good morning, children. Welcome back to Class 2, English Grammar Worksheet 11. Reading. Read this passage. Chimpanzees or chimps are very smart animals. Chimps and humans are similar in many ways. Chimps can use simple tools. They have thumbs and fingernails too. They can learn new things. Chimps hug, kiss, play and laugh like us. They show their friendship by cleaning and combing each other's fur. Chimpanzees eat fruits, nuts and berries. They also eat lizards, frogs and other small animals. They sleep in trees and make nests out of leaves. They live and travel in large groups. Chimpanzees are found only in Africa, but now they are in danger. Because people are cutting down their forests, these animals need our help. Let us save the forests. Let us save the homes of the chimpanzees. Similar means like somebody or something but not exactly the same. Tools, things that help us to do our work more easily. Fur, the hair covering an animal's body. Answer these questions. Tick the ways in which chimps and people are similar. Both use tools. Correct. Both hug, kiss, laugh and play. Correct. Both live and travel in large groups. No. Both have fingernails. Correct. Both sleep in trees. No. What do chimps eat? Chimps eat fruits, nuts and berries. They also eat lizards, frogs and other small animals. How do chimps show their friendship towards each other? Chimps show their friendship by cleaning and combing each other's fur. Why are chimps in danger? Chimps are in danger because people are cutting down their forests. Grammar and words. The past tense form of regular verbs is formed by adding D or ED. Walk, walked, jump, jumped. Complete the answers to write these questions with the correct past tense form of the verbs in color. What did you play today? Play is the regular verb. Now when you answer it, what should happen here? Either you should add D or you should add ED to the answer. So, I played football today. When did you move to this city? I moved to this city last year. What did you watch TV last night? I watched a cricket match. What did you learn today? I learned how to add two numbers. Where did they live? They lived in Pune. Whom did you ask for help? I asked my sister for help. Irregular verbs change their form completely in the past tense. Eat becomes ate, run becomes ran. Now change regular verbs, it doesn't change, the whole word doesn't change there. In regular word, you will add only D and ED in the end of the words. But in irregular verb, what happens when it changes to the past tense, it completely changes, the whole word completely changes, such as eat is ate, run is ran. Here are a few common verbs with their irregular forms. Come, came, find, found, get, got, give, gave, leave, left, meet, met, teach, taught, make, made, spend, spent, keep, kept. Complete these sentences with the correct form of the verbs from the table above. Looking into the table above, what you have to do, you have to correct forms of the words you have to write and fill the blanks here. They left for Kolkata this morning. I got 2 storybooks from the library. My parents gave me a bicycle on my birthday. Rahul found an old coin lying on the ground. My guests came by train. We met at the market yesterday. Madan sir taught us English last year. Shabna kept the plant in the sun. Ashwin and I spent a lot of time on the project. Father made biryani for dinner last night. Do you know where these animals live? Choose the correct answers from the box. Nest, beehive, burrow, web, pond, den. I am a chimpanzee. I live in a nest. I am a spider. I live in a web. I am a bee. I live in a beehive. I am a rabbit. I live in a burrow. I am a fox. I live in a den. I am a frog. I live in a pond and the land around it. Next it is speech practice, children. You will do this for yourself. You will read the words which is given to you there. Next it is punctuation. Rewrite these sentences with capital letters, full stops and question marks. Now a sentence is jumbled and given here where capital letter is not there, full stop is not there and a question mark is not there. So where you have to add a capital letter, where you have to have a full stop and where you have to have a question mark, you have to look into the sentence and then you have to rewrite the sentence in the given place here. Are we going to the park? R, A is capital. We going to the park. After park, it is a question mark. Nazir speaks Telugu, Hindi and English. Nazir speaks Telugu. Nazir is N because it's a starting letter. It will be capital. Telugu, Hindi and English. These are the proper names of the languages. So Telugu, Hindi and English is in capital letter. First letter will be capital. Then in the end you will have a full stop. Can you come home early today? Now C is capital. Then rest ever it's the same. Can you come home early today? After that you will have a question mark. The clouds are moving slowly in the sky. The T is capital. The clouds are moving in the sky. Full stop. The teacher says, I sing well. The T capital. The teacher says, I, when it is used alone, you will write capital I. Sing well. After that, it is a full stop for us. Writing. Look at this picture of a walrus and read these phrases. Form 6 sentences about the animal using the phrases. You can find the animal here, children, and you can find the phrases given here. A very large animal, a very good swimmer, run fast, very thick skin, long teeth, very cold places. Now you will write 6 sentences about it. The walrus is a very large animal. It is a very good swimmer. It can run fast. It has very thick skin. It has long teeth. It lives in very cold places. Now a small project work is given to you. My animal report. Pick one animal and write a report about it. So looking into the page number 72, you also should write a small report on an animal which you have picked. So pick one animal and write the report about the animal. My name is, you have to write your name, you have to write your animal name and you have to write draw the picture or you have to paste the picture of the animal. And you have to write what it looks like, what does it eat and where does it live. 3 new things I learned about the animal. Which are the 3 new things which you have learned about the animal you have to write. Hope you all have understood how you have to do the work, children. Please do the work neatly. Thank you.